Hi guys! Ma-unboxing si Sabi ngayon sa globe niya. So, binili ng Mama Lalays niya. So, here, mag-unboxing kami. Kasi mahilig siya sa planets. So, yes. This is a globe. Mahilig siya sa planets, guys. Kaya, binigyan siya ng globe ng Mama Lalays niya. See here. Wow. So nice. You wanna open it? Yes.
Wow!
Wow.
What's on earth?
Yeah. And put this in here.
That's
The earth.
what is the color of the earth?
It's so beautiful. It's a blue and rainbow.
This one. Wow. Okay.
Where's the Philippines? Can
Where's
you
the
find the
Philippines?
Philippines here? This is the place where we live. Philippines.
Philippines.
Here is small. China, so big.
Oops.
The color blue is an ocean. See?
70% of a globe of the earth is water.
I
Wow.
want to go there.
You wanna go there? Yeah. It's Turkey here. You wanna go there?
Oh,
Wow. It's the world. It's the earth. Wow. So nice. So, ang ganda niya, guys. So, educational
It's a
siya.
Greenland. It's
Mm.
taas. Alaska.
How much
So cold here.
Yung cost nito, probably nasa 300 to 400, 500. Pero pag binili mo to sa National Bookstore, kasi singlaki ng 3,000 siya.
This is the map. This is the map. Globe map, globe.
Wow. We can put it here, okay? So that you can play all around, okay?
This is the
Did you like?
country. This is our country,
Did you like the gift of Mama Lalay?
Philippines. It's so small.
Did you like the gift of Mama Lalay?
This is Australia.
Did you like the gift of Mama Lalay? Say thank you to Mama Lalay. Say thank you to Mama Lalay in the vlog. Say thank you to Mama Lalay in the vlog. For buying that globe. Where's the Philippines? Where's the Philippines? Oh, here is the Philippines, a small one. Sabi lives here in Cavite.
Stinking? What's stinking?
Thank you, Sabi. Sa Greenland eh. Tignan kayo nila sa Greenland. Ang pinakabugnaw pala kay Greenland. Nasa taas na pagwanto, hindi siya so cold na kasi nandito na siya sa pinakataas.
Russia kasi ganun sa taas.
Russia?
Oh,
Ang cold na din pala sa Russia.
pinaka-harsh din yun na climate sa kanya.
Oh?
Ito yung is yun. Finland, Latvia, nandito yung Ukraine na yun, yung Ukraine.
Yung gubat?
Mm.
'Ang laki pala din nila. Ang laki pala din ng Russia.
What's that?
And this is America. The color, this is the color yellow.
America
It's
at Canada
America.
pareho. Malapit lang pala.
And then this is Canada.
The orange.
Oh,
Orange.
This is the ocean, the sea. Color blue is all sea.
yan ate. Ano naman? Berry sa...
Oh, numbers. Numbers. One,
Agrino.
yeah, and
Ito, grabe yung North Atlantic. Grabe. Ang dami palang na ano natin na space kasi dami nating water.
Na.
Bodies of water.
Do, pila na kabuk.
one.
Hmm? Malapit lang pala tayo sa Hong Kong, Macau,
Pila na kabuk.
China. Dapat yung China. Luya din po.
Oh.
Kawawa pala tayo pag ginano tayo ng China kasi ang laki nila.
No,
Maliit
no.
na natin kasi hiwalay pa.
Sunny.
When you find the Philippines,
Sugda na ito sa...
This.
Rekap mo na, pwede minitan.
Here, Philippines.
Yeah.
that's the place where we live.
Oh. Do man na.
Philippines. Here.
Isukod o, isukod.
Philippines, the place where we live, Sabi and Papa, Mama. This is Australia. So big. Kuya Yuri and Tito Marlo lives here.
Ano sinod? Ato daw sinod.
What this?
Ang color green, this is Russia. So cold, the cold place.
Sige lang.
China.
Sino yun more?
Kuan o, isukod daw.
Papa, what that?
This is Russia.